New York City, if you can make it there, you can make it anywhere. This is why I was excited that my artwork was accepted into a show in the oldest art club in New York City, the Samagundi Club. It's also the oldest art organization in the United States. So first I had to frame my artwork, which actually was about $530. Then when I went to ship it, they said it was going to be $700. And so I figured I could just ship it myself, and it ended up being about $70. I knew I couldn't make it for the opening of the show, which is this Thursday, December 18th, but I really wanted to see it in New York City since this is my first time exhibiting outside of Utah. And I also wanted to learn more about the Samagundi Club. So I booked a red-eye flight last Friday, picked up my mom, and we flew through the night to New York City. Once we got there, I grabbed a Red Bull and we headed out to find some place to eat. The Grand Brasserie at the Grand Central Station did not disappoint. I loved their oatmeal. It was December, so it was freezing. To freshen up after our flight, we spent some time at the Isla-only spa at the amazing Lotte New York Palace on Madison Avenue. December in New York City is magical. The window displays are so clever and inspiring. Even the graffiti is next level. Also, the building facades. Oh my gosh, I loved it. Finally, we made it to the Samagundi Club. It's located in Greenwich Village, and this part of the city feels way more laid back and creative. As we walked in, we could hear carolers singing in the basement. We passed them into the room where the Unique Impressions show is set, and it was like a cool billiard room. I found one of my cyanotypes immediately and noticed that the frame had broken in shipping, probably my fault, but I couldn't find my favorite one, the Cosmos and Zinnias one. Then I saw it on the ground under the sign for the exhibition. I was pretty disappointed until I realized it actually had been reframed. So my shipping job was not great and the frame had broken. The new frame actually was a completely different color of wood, so I'm surprised I didn't realize it had been reframed. Super grateful for the man who reframed it for me, who then gave us a tour around the club and the amazing views from the windows, the library, all of it was absolutely fascinating. It's going to be right next to the sign for the exhibition, so I'm excited about that, and I feel lucky to be exhibiting in this really cool space. This building is awesome. It has this old library filled with books about set design, art, history, and yeah, it has this amazing view too. Just classic New York, you know? It was great to see my artwork in New York City. If you want to see it, head over to the Samagundi Club before January 2nd. It's an awesome building and you can see it there. It's also just, there's a lot of other artwork that's really amazing. Head on over to the Samagundi Club before January 2nd. But it was awesome to see that. I loved New York City. It started snowing like crazy the morning that we left, which felt very magical. They did have to de-ice our plane, which was also kind of cool. I enjoyed this experience and hopefully I will be able to exhibit in more places outside of Utah. Hope you can enjoy the holidays with your families.